Makati City Mayor Nancy Binay orders an investigation into public-private partnership deals signed under the administration of her sister, former Mayor Abby Binay. On Bilyonary News Channel's agenda, Makati's legal officer said this is to ensure that all contracts were legally executed. The directive comes after the discovery of a nearly 9 billion peso settlement entered into by the former mayor with a contractor of the now-canceled Makati Subway project.
There has been an instruction, though there's no order yet received by the law department. So there has been instruction to create a fact-finding committee to investigate on all other projects, PBB projects entered into by the prior administration, because we want to ensure that the rights of the city protected and that all contracts entered into are entered into legally and above board.
Attorney Ava Marie Ramel also flagged the timing of the deal struck just a week before the transition of leadership in Makati.
Makita po natin na June 20, ipinasa ng City Council ang resolution approving the terms and conditions of the settlement agreement. And then June 23 naman po napirmahan itong settlement agreement. So yung timing po makita natin, 7 days na lang po yung natitira, papasok na po ang bagong administrasyon. No? So si Mayor Nancy, pagpasok po, nagulat po na merong ganitong klaseng kontrata na nag-oobliga sa Makati City Government na magbayad ng 8.9 billion pesos. So yung timing po is highly suspicious.